Hi guys, so finally we got a internet connectivity in our village. So this behind me is a Jio tower and they are having 3 or 4 this kind of towers. So basically guys, the Jio is giving internet connectivity in our home, and for that thanks to Mr. Ambani. So basically guys, this was suggested by the government for the people here. So it was to be due before January, but due to the lockdown and also other factors, the work got delayed. And yesterday, on 20th July, they inaugurated this. And to be honest, it's like 6 months late, but still better late than never. So it's functional now. Yesterday they made it functional for 2 hours for testing, and now from today it will be 24 hours on. So that's the good news. So basically they are providing the internet using the optical fibers, and I've heard that it's very fragile and hard to maintain. So hopefully it works properly during the winter months also, because at that time landslides are very frequent here. So that's the thing. And they have erected the tower in our village temple, so they are also giving a rent for that. So that's the thing for now. And basically due to the pandemic, like, online classes are going on and some people are also taking the exams. So this is a good news for people from here, because earlier if we needed the internet, we have to either move to nearby villages, and the nearest post is Samdo, and that's 7 kilometers from here, and the village is Nako or Maling, and that's 35 kilometers from here. So we have to go there to get an internet connectivity. So otherwise the other option was to climb that mountain, and on that hilltop, I don't know how, but we get a internet connectivity of Samdo, because that's at a very good height. And second option for me was to go to from that road we have to travel till our reaching, and that means far away orchard. So I showed you in my previous video. So there also we used to get the internet connectivity, but now we will be getting it in our own village. So there, I guess you can see, is the tower. So the range will be from there to this is the second part of our village. So they are saying that it can go till Samdo also, but it will be till here, and then towards this side, that side, it will be till Chango, and in those mountains also there will be proper network. So yeah. And guys, in the last month I was having my semester exams, so for that I had to move to my relatives village, and that's in Leo. So that becomes quite a big issue for students and other people who have very importance of network. So that's good to rescue us, so we are happy for that. And so guys, these were the benefits and advantages of Jio, but personally I think that it has some disadvantages also, because till now the life here used to be very peaceful and, you know, a kind of like social, too much social. But now with this transformation, it's going to be the social media kind of life. So people will now connect with the Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. So till now the life here was like you can just see people wandering around freely, because they don't have a network and they were just doing their own work and then just meeting and greeting. But now things gonna change, and it was evident in our nearby villages where recently the network came. So that's a major change to be observed here. So I'll be happy to see that. And also guys, the new generation, that is the generation of our children, will also gonna improve, because they will be more introduced to the technology. So that's the better part. But also they will go more toward gaming like PUBG and all. So recently I heard a news that government is planning to ban PUBG. So let's see what happens. And last thing is, the life gonna change, that's for true. So let's see what happens. So guys, behind me, this is our village temple, going from here to there. So that's all for this video. And guys, it was just basically a news update for you guys, that finally we got an internet connectivity, and happily I'll be posting this video using this new connection. So that's the thing, and hope for the best that it works properly for the long time. So That's all. Goodbye. Take care. Stay safe. Peace.